Hi everyone, this is David, and this is an updated video to downloading subtitles with video in Subtitle Edit 5, more or less the open video URL. Now, I did a couple of suggestions, like for example, removing the download UT button. More or less, it was available when you click on the open video URL feature, and it was not going off even when you tried to update. It kept on updating, so it's good to see that has gone. But I made a couple of requests. A button to download subtitles only, which is highly welcome, and also a button to just download the video only, so more or less a checkbox. So these are available now. And also another request was support for downloading auto-generated subtitles from YouTube, and this comes in handy especially when a client just gives you the video, but you've noticed that the YouTube auto-generated subtitles are good. So it's good to have this available now, and also downloading multiple subtitles when a video, not necessarily for editing in Subtitle Edit. So that's also available. Now I'm going to open up Subtitle Edit, and this is the beta version 5.2 beta 5, as you can see right here. And as you can see, this particular feature was added in version 5.2.0 beta 1 as of 2nd August. Today is the 6th of August, and obviously video and subtitle checkboxes and auto-generated subtitles. Now to use that particular feature, you go to video, open video from URL, and you'll appreciate that the button that was there to more or less update YouTube DL is no longer there, but now we have the checkboxes as I had recommended. And it's good to see that these are available. If you only want to download the video, just click on that. If you want to download the video and subtitles, click on that. If you want to download the video and subtitles, and specifically when you have auto-generated subtitles, click on this. So you can uncheck it if the video has other subtitles, that is manually added closed captions or subtitles for the video. So it's good to see that. Now my only hope was that this particular situation here should come before we click the option to download and open, because it's a little bit more or less retrogressive to kind of have to come check this and then go back to click on this. So this particular section can come in between the open online and the download and open, or more or less what makes sense. So right there we have it. Now let us try it out. And I do have a video here, and this particular video has auto-generated subtitles right here, and I'll just copy this particular link, copy, and for this video I'll just download the subtitles, check this on, and then I paste my link up here and then click on download and open. Once I do that, you're going to see downloading subtitles on this side. It's done, more or less. Feels like it's not done, but it's done. But after a while, it's actually going to pre-populate right here. So I'm not sure why we can see the progress per se when it comes to this. So it feels kind of sketchy in its own way, and sometimes it's a hit or miss. So for example, right now I don't think it's going to work. For some strange reason, it's a hit or miss when it comes to that. Let's try again and see if we click on the subtitles, if it's actually going to accept to download them. Let's go to open video from URL. Let's click on download and open. It's downloading subtitles, but for some strange reason it does not show, so it's a little bit strange. Let's see if we can try another video. Let's say we go and try this one. Let's see. In this CapCut tutorial, I'll show you how to we copy this one and see if it's actually going to accept. And actually, let's actually confirm it has auto-generated subtitles. Yes, it does. So let's see if it's actually going to accept. Click download and open. Downloading subtitles. Let's see if it's going to appear. Now, for some strange reason, it's not coming on. Not sure why. So let's actually try and see if the video is going to download, because I think there could be an error of sorts. And obviously, as I mentioned, these are beta versions. So let's see if we try to download the video, if it's actually going to accept. Let's just click on that. Please wait. And I think we're going to get an error. Let's see. Number one, you will take a note that it's not coming in with a video title. Let's click on save, downloading video. Let's see. I think we're going to get an error. Yes, we've gotten an error right there. So that's the reason why the subtitles are not downloading. There is an error somewhere in the code or something. But chaotic thing is, sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not. So it still is refining, but more or less that's an update of what's happening with the open video from URL. You can now download the video if it's just the video you wanted. You can download the subtitles without the video. You can also download auto-generated subtitles for this. So we only need kind of a change in the orientation of this particular section, the checkboxes, to come up here before you click download and open, and also maybe to actually work on the code in the back end to see why it's bringing in that particular error. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm happy to see all this available, because it's going to make our workflow a little bit easier. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.